I'm about to do a little, not a full pull, but just, you know, a little something with my grandmother in the car. I'm going to pick her up now. She cannot stand fast vehicles. When I tell you she cannot stand fast vehicles, and I know it gets on her nerves, man. She might curse, so I have to probably edit the video to my best. But yeah, so hopefully, you know, I don't get stopped by police or anything like that. Shout out to my boy Deadpool. You know, he getting his Z06 worked on, his slow ass Z06. Let's see, can y'all hear that fucking cam though? See, can y'all hear that cam? Yeah, so we almost there, about to pick her up. So yeah, how you been doing? Who said that?
The news mic.
How was your day today?
It was nice. Can't complain. Real nice. Don't try to take on fast.
Huh?
I said, don't try to take on fast.
Why would I do that?
I'm just letting you know. But you hot.
You cold? What?
I sure ain't hot. So how's everything been going?
You gotta speak up. This car loud.
I said, how's everything been going with you?
Good.
Well, it's a blessing. I've been praying for you.
You know we live together.
Yep. Wait a minute.
What was that?
You know you did.
I ain't even mean to do that. What are you talking about? No, see, my foot had slipped off the accelerator. Whoa.
You see these cars coming.
You see them too, don't you? I see them too.
Don't go out there and act no fool.
I'm not gonna. Granny, I don't never act no fool.
Just be safe. That's all I got to say.
I don't never act no fool.
It's clear my way.
It's clear your way.
Wait a minute now. Don't be trying to speed.
I'm not speeding. You got your seatbelt. Granny, put your seatbelt on, girl. What's wrong with you?
What we going this way for?
It's the way to the hell.
It ain't.
Where we supposed to be going then?
140.
That will we going. Oh.
Just try not to speed.
You not hot. It's hot.
JR, quit now.
What?
Don't do that.
Granny. I'm in a hurry. Are you in a hurry?
I should have stayed there.
I don't even drive. I don't be doing nothing crazy. Whoa.
You know what you be doing.
I don't know what I be doing. I need to get some gas though.
Wait a minute now. Stop speeding.
Granted, I'm not doing anything now. You just cutting up. That's what you doing. You cutting up.
Stop showing out, JR.
In front of who?
Yourself. And me.
Yeah, right.
And what that thing they're supposed to do?
This right here? This just a
thermostat.
Yeah.
Damn.
Cause the car get high sometimes.
Slow down. Slow down, boy.
I have a name.
Gabriel.
Thank you. So how you like my car though? You know you haven't seen it in a minute.
No, I haven't.
You gonna ask where it been? Well, ask me where it been.
Where it been?
It's been, well, I sold the vehicle, and then I decided to buy it back. Most people be like, "Dang, you bought the same car back? Why would you do that?" Well, you know, hey,
what you want.
Right, it's what I wanted, and
that's your business.
And you know it. I didn't have no problems with it.
Right.
And it's way faster now.
Right.
So, what you think about
slow up,
going fast?
Don't go fast. Just go to speed.
Speed limit. What speed?
I mean, you know what the speed limit is. You ain't crazy. You ain't just never driving. Just don't be trying to get down on it just to hear the pipes. What I'm saying. Drive decent in order, and it'll last you a long time.
What?
Give me
that. Well, where your car at?
Well, you know, I don't have a car because, wait a minute, John, I ain't faultless.
I told you my foot slipped off the accelerator.
Oh, you just did that because you wanted to do it.
You mad at me? I thought we was friends.
We are, but sometimes you just be acting out of ordinary. Woo!
What's that? You barking?
No, that's what you be doing this car. You don't need all that.
What sound you said it make?
I ain't for it, man. I'm just trying to make it for it.
It sound like you was barking. That ain't had no pipe sound. You supposed to say room. That's what you supposed to say. You was saying roof. That's what you was saying. You was barking.
That's what you were doing.
I wasn't doing none of that. I don't do none of that. It's hot.
It ain't hot to me.
It is. It's hot. It's hot as balls in here. You know how hot balls get?
Your balls probably is hot.
Grand, watch this.
Y'all don't act silly now.
I'm not, Grand. It's not me. You hear that? Huh? What it sound like? Sound like thunder. You like that, don't you? Yes, you do. Say it. Say I like it. Yes, you do. You like it. Who like it?
Yeah. When y'all supposed to do that.
That thing sound good. Let's do it.
All right, y'all. Don't do it.
Let's do it.
No.
That thing loud. You don't like that? Look.
No, that's embarrassing. Don't do that.
To who? People like fast cars and fast broads. That's what they like, don't it? You tripping. They wasn't gonna let me get over. You alright? I make your nerves bad. You make mine bad. I had to get over. Oh! What in the world? You just ain't got nothing to say. You can't be mad at me. You can't be mad. Yeah, that's what they like. That's what they want to hear. Here you go. Look, you can't even hold the phone right. Look at you. I'm acting like that. It is not that serious. We almost at the house and you cutting up like that.
Stop now.
I'm trying to get over all these cars and stuff over here. Act like that. Hey. What? Talk to me now. You gotta let me know what's going on there. I ain't doing that. You have to merge in and out of traffic to keep from being caught in traffic. If that makes sense, right? Right? I need you to answer me. I'm not no chicken. I need you to talk to me. I need you to answer me.
Stop! Shit.
Here, hold it. Now, look, you gotta hold it like, cause it's the thermos. You gotta hold it like, you gotta look, hold it just like that. Look, hold, just like that. You can rest your arm. You have to look at it. Look, you gotta hold it towards you. Look at it. Look, and you have to talk to it. Say something. Say something.
You talk to it.
You talk to it. Say something. Like,
yeah, I'm not in no mood for talking.
You can talk to Pooh, like talk to Pooh through there.
Hey, Pooh.
Talk to her. They don't know what's going on.
Pooh. Pooh.
You don't like my car? Alright, I'm done.